Hello everyone, Elistria here. I'm coming in on this rainy Florida afternoon to show you how I build a sandwich. So I have some pita bread, some tomato, lettuce, avocado, praise God, yes, some mustard, onion, red pepper, because we feel like being fancy on today, roasted red pepper, and a good old handmade, fashioned with love. Ah, Chipotle bean patty. So let's work. Okay, you guys, so I have prepped everything. I have my patty cut in half, my onions, my tomato, my avocado. I've opened my jar. I have my bread ready to go. So let's build. First is my condiment mustard. Next, I add my lettuce. Then we have my favorite tomato. Praise God. Next, I've added some avocado with some good old sea salt and pepper. And my chipotle bean patty. Add 2 good slices of that roasted red pepper. Add that good onion. Honey, that's a sandwich. Hope you enjoy.